Morning students. Before going to start a new lesson, I want to discuss some points. Today we are taking third lesson of EVS 1. Let us discuss some previous lesson points. Second lesson is digestive system. In that we have studied how to digest food in our body. Then when digestion is complete, then what happened? Wastage material or unabsorbed material is removing from our body. In digestive system, we have studied some parts are taking in the process of digestion. Last part we have seen, it is the anus. Okay. What is the function of anus? Just remind. Yes, anus is pushes waste material from our body. If waste material keep in our body, what will be happen? We can't intake another food. Okay, so that is very important. Unwastage or wastage material removing from our body. Take example of your cupboard. Okay, suppose now you are in 4th standard. You are keeping in your cupboard 4th standard textbook, notebook, pens, pencil. Okay, when you finish final exam of 4th standard, then books of 4th standard or notebooks, whatever material, it is not needed for 5th standard. Now when you will enter in 5th class, what happened? That books and notebooks you have to remove from your cupboard. Then only you can keep in your cupboard 5th standard books and notebooks. Same like that. Wastage material removing from our body, it is very important. That time only our body parts functioning properly. Okay, so shall we start next lesson? That is the excretory system. See. Now name of the topic is excretory system. So in that system, which process is going on? That is the excretion. Now what is meant by excretion? Actually, I have already told you. Okay, what is meant by excretion? Excrete means exist, removing from our body. Removal of waste from the body is called excretion, and then only our body can take another food. Okay, the next point, come to the next point. We get rid of solid waste by pooping and liquid waste by peeing and sweating. Okay, solid waste removing from our body by pooping. Okay, and liquid waste by urination also and sweating also. Okay, all of you understood what is meant by excretion? Excretion means removal of waste from our body. Whatever part of the food which is not digested, which is not absorbed, is removing from our body. That is the excretion. Okay, now which part of the body take part in the process of excretion? Let us see. Take example, in our school, various organization appointed for various function. Suppose account section. For account section, a sir, ma'am are also appointed. For computer section, Nikita ma'am and Khalida ma'am. Okay, like that only in our body. Functioning properly, our body appointed various system. Removing waste food from our body is functioning excretory system, and the organ or the body part which take part in that process, that is the excretion, that part we can call it is the excretory system. Let us see in excretory. First we see that diagram. I zoom it. Now you can see in that diagram 4 parts are there. First one is which? Kidney, ureter, bladder and urethra. Okay, in that diagram you can see first part is kidney. It is bean shape. All of you know what is meant by bean? Bean shape, like that only. Okay, it is the pair of kidneys. So how many kidney present in our body? Yes, it's correct. That is 2. So it is 1 pair. So in excretory system, first part is it is a pair of kidney. And then next 2 pipe-like structure you can see to attach with kidney and bladder. That pipe-like structure is ureter. Okay. And same like that kidney, we have to say a pair of ureter. A pair means how many ureter? 2. Okay, correct. Now bladder. Here you can see bag-like structure. Okay, it is bladder. What they are functioning we will see after studying this diagram. Okay, let us see. I am just introducing the parts of the excretory system. Okay, so bag-like structure is bladder. It is connect with pipe-like structure. It is ureter with kidney. Okay, after that bag-like structure, one end is there. That is the urethra. Okay, all of you understood? 4 parts. A pair of kidney means how many kidneys? Yes, 2 kidneys. Then next one is second ureter. A pair of ureter. How many ureter? 2. Okay. Just remember, a pair of kidneys, a pair of ureters, then a bladder. We can say urinary bladder because in that bladder urine collect. Urinary bladder. And last one is urethra. First 2 parts only pair means it is including 2 kidneys, 2 ureter. Okay. Shall we go to the next point? That is how they functioning or whatever not process we are discussing, just what kidney is doing, what is the structure. Okay, wait. So organs of excretory system. First is I have showed you a pair of kidneys. Okay, now one question is arising, where it is located. So kidney is located on each side of our stomach or on each side of our backbone. Okay. Now size of the kidney. The size of the kidney is like feet. 1 feet. Okay. Now next one is a pair of ureters. We have seen after kidney or bean shaped structure, that is the kidney, and attached to the urinary bladder. It is the pipe like structure. Okay. Now next one is urinary bladder. It is bag like structure. It fills balloon when urine filled with it. Okay. It expands when urine filled with it. That is the urinary bladder. Now last part is urethra. It is the opening of urinary bladder or opening of out of the body. Okay, why out of the body? Because removing liquid waste from our body. Okay, so today we have studied what is meant by excretion. Simple definition you have to remember: removal of waste from our body, it is the excretion. Repeat with me, all of you have to repeat with me. What is meant by excretion? Removal of waste from our body, from the body, it's called excretion. Now, which organs take part in excretion, process of excretion? Organs of excretory system. First one is a pair of kidneys. Don't say only kidney. You have to remember a pair of kidneys. Next part is a pair of ureters. Then third one is urinary bladders. And last one is urethra. Now, how it is working? What is the function of kidney? What is the function of other organs of excretory system? We will see next session. Okay. Now, today you have to practice in your notebook. Draw the neat and label that diagram excretory system. Whatever I have showed. I repeat it. See, in your textbook, wait, page number 12. Okay. In your notebook, EVS 1 or EVS notebook, that is EVS 1, put the heading of lesson number 3, excretory system, and after that write question, draw the diagram excretory system with label. Okay, and then draw like this diagram on page number 12. Okay, I will tell when roll number I will tell, then send me picture of that image whenever I will tell your roll number. Okay, I hope you all understood what is meant by excretion and organs of excretory system. Okay, don't forget you have to draw the diagram of excretory system. Okay, thank you.